In this video, I'll show you how you can earn banners in League of Legends. Now there's two types of banners. There's the Clash banner right here, and there's also a profile banner in here. Now to get the Clash banners, what you need to do is simply play some Clash. Now you can see I have quite a lot of them dating all the way back to 2019, and you get these for participating in the Clash events. Now that's basically how you can get the Clash banners. And if you want to have the profile banners, you come in here and you see you'll automatically unlock your past rank from your last season, and the other ones you can obtain through missions and also buying the pass in the store. So those are the ways you can obtain these. If you want to know about a specific one, you can comment down below, or you can simply Google the one that you want to have. So that's basically how you can get the banners. Obviously the Clash is super easy. There's a Clash events pretty much every month in League of Legends. They hold them very often, so you can just join them and see how well you do. You'll also get other rewards for playing Clash, and the further you come in the Clash, the better rewards. And don't worry, it's to your own level, so if you're bronze and stuff, you're gonna play against bronze and silver players as well. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.